Okay, today is tent mount day. This iKamper has been sitting in my driveway for 2.5 months or something. I don't even know. Got it painted, finally got my roof rack on just a few days ago. I say rack, it's more like crossbars. Unistrut crossbars. Got the extended roof rails. This truck came with the shorty rails. So I went ahead and got 3 up there. I'm only going to mount the tent to the first and last. Not really sure how this is going to go. Should be fine. Should have enough clearance for everything. So my plan is to do it in stages. So take it off this here system of totes, move it over here to this taller table, at which point we should be able to get under it and do some power squats. We'll lift that sucker up, put it on the roof. Got my 25-year-old nephew here, so thank God for that. Wife has a hurt shoulder, so it's just me and him. Anyway, let's see how this goes. Lift with your legs. Watch out for those. Yeah. Okay. We can go ahead and go. 1. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Ah, shit. Let's go back down. I don't have it. Doesn't work. Let's come back. Is that fine?
Okay.
Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, just set it on there. Go ahead and do your side too.
I can't get it up there.
Okay. You got it?
Way heavy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, that makes me feel better. Ah, shit. I might be able to lower it a touch more. I don't know. Let me check.
The car?
Yeah. Maybe. Going to the bump stops. Oh yeah. That got us a lot of extra room, I think.
I haven't looked at anything like this in a while.
Me neither, dude. So I'm trying to use my legs as much as possible. All right, let's try it again. And if there's any issues, just say, stop and we'll bring it back. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, got it. All right, we're on. Oh, yes. Too easy. Woo! Always wear your back brace, kids. Oh, damn. I think when we start to mount it, it should just kind of bend it down, but I don't know if that's what I want. There's not a whole lot I can do without some spacers.
And this takes it off of that one.
Yeah. All right, now it's time to mount this tent. I'm using these Shamancy Pants iKamper mounts, where the crossbar goes right in here, and as you tighten this threaded rod, it squeezes in, and these go in the rails on the tent, so that's what holds it. So, I'm not sure if I showed this yet, but we got a little bit of an uneven problem. You can see back here, you can see the back is actually sticking up, meaning that we're not perfectly flat from back to front on these rails. So either I'm gonna have to put spacers, or what I'm gonna try first is just putting the mounts in on the back and just kind of seeing if I can sort of, if it'll pull itself down, but not in a way that's too much flex. Or I could remove this middle bar and it would probably fix, in fact, I know it would fix my problems, but I want that middle bar. So this is another one of those bullshit things that comes up when you're least expecting it. Okay, so my solution to this issue was just to push this rail forward. Now I can get two of these young hoppers on here on this side, and then I can pull it back. Bring this over this way, just a little.
Enough more?
No, that's fine. I was just trying to help you, to be honest. Okay. Good. Get this first mount in. I think I'll probably have this come forward. Now, let's bring these together in holy matrimony. And just Us is a 19. She says, stop lying. I says, I am go ask my mother, in which your wrinkled linens, I cannot be your lover. Yeah. Let's say what's up to. Wait, is that right? Show you what I'm talking about. There's that. There's that space we talked about. Okay. Camera might stay here. I got this one. Let's see, you can really watch. Just see how this is gonna work. Oh, it might not even. Alright. The question is, when I tighten this, like really tighten it, is it gonna nah, man. I'm gonna have to do spacers. Alright, so here's my solution. These Unistrut, what do you want to call these? Joiners. These are 90-degree ones that I had laying around that I used for the original version of this rack. They are just thick enough to fit in that space. Hopefully you can see in there. But I got one coming from that side, one coming from this side. Yes, it is goofy. No, I cannot give one single shit. I would rather raise the bar up, but it's just more complicated. This screw is like the perfect height, so I'd have to get a longer screw. And yeah, I just don't want to. I may do that some other time. For now, got this tightened up. It's golden. I say golden, but little word for doubt. On to the next. All right, she is officially mounted. Finally got me one of them name brand tents, y'all.